Speaking a new language is not easy. Many people feel shy or afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are a part of learning. This is the story of Eliza, a girl who wanted to speak English fluently. She was not perfect, but she never gave up. She decided to always speak in English no matter what. Her journey was full of challenges, but she kept going. In the beginning, learning English was very difficult for Eliza. She made many mistakes and sometimes felt frustrated. However, she never stopped working hard. Let's see how Eliza improved her English and gained confidence. Watch this video till the end to find out. Eliza was a young girl who lived in a small town. She had a dream to speak English fluently. She loved the language and wanted to talk to people from different countries. But there was one problem. She was not perfect at English. Eliza had learned some basic English in school, but she often made mistakes. When she tried to speak, she felt shy and nervous. Many times people laughed at her pronunciation or grammar. But Eliza did not give up. She made a promise to herself, "I will always speak in English, even if I make mistakes." Every morning, Eliza stood in front of the mirror and practiced speaking. She would say simple sentences. "Hello, my name is Eliza. I like to read books. I want to travel the world." At first, she found it difficult, but she kept practicing. To improve her English, Eliza followed different techniques. 1. Shadowing technique. She listened to English conversations, repeated sentences after native speakers, and mimicked their pronunciation. This helped her improve her accent and fluency. 2. Watching movies with subtitles. She watched English movies and TV shows with subtitles. At first, she read the subtitles to understand, but later she tried to watch without them to train her ears. 3. Speaking with strangers. She joined online language exchange platforms where she spoke with native English speakers. This boosted her confidence and helped her learn real-life expressions. 4. Using flashcards for vocabulary. Eliza made flashcards with new words and their meanings. She reviewed them daily and used them in sentences. 5. Reading English books and articles. She started with children's books and gradually moved to novels and news articles. This improved her reading comprehension and vocabulary. 6. Writing a daily diary. She wrote about her daily activities, thoughts, and feelings in English. This helped her practice sentence structure and grammar. 7. Practicing in front of the mirror. She spoke in front of the mirror every day, which helped her gain confidence in speaking without fear. 8. Joining an English-speaking club. She joined a local English-speaking club where she participated in discussions and debates. This gave her real-world speaking experience. 9. Learning from mistakes. Instead of feeling bad about mistakes, Eliza wrote them down and learned from them. She asked teachers and friends for corrections. 10. Using English in daily life. She switched her phone language to English, thought in English, and tried to use English words while talking to friends. One day, a foreign tourist came to her town. He was lost and needed help. Eliza saw him and felt nervous, but she remembered her promise. She took a deep breath and said, "Hello, can I help you?" The tourist smiled and asked for directions. Eliza spoke slowly, using simple words. The tourist understood and thanked her. That day, Eliza felt proud of herself. Her confidence grew. She joined an English-speaking club and practiced with new people. She also started writing a diary in English. At school, she raised her hand in class and answered questions in English. Her teacher noticed her efforts and encouraged her. One day, Eliza got a big opportunity. Her school was hosting an international event, and they needed a student to give a welcome speech in English. Her teacher asked her to do it. At first, she felt scared. What if she made mistakes? But then she remembered her promise. She practiced day and night. On the day of the event, Eliza stood on the stage. Her heart was beating fast, but she smiled and spoke clearly. "Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our school." She made a few mistakes, but she did not stop. When she finished, everyone clapped. She felt happy and proud. Eliza's journey continued. She participated in debates, read books in English, and even started a YouTube channel where she shared her English learning experience. Slowly, more people started watching her videos and learning from her story. She realized that many people faced the same struggle and wanted to help them overcome their fear of speaking English. One day, Eliza received an invitation to an international conference. She was asked to share her journey of learning English. Standing in front of a huge audience, she felt the same nervousness she had felt years ago. But this time, she was ready. She smiled and said, "Hello, everyone. I am Eliza. I always speak in English, even if I make mistakes." The audience cheered and she felt proud. As time went on, Eliza started traveling to different countries. She met people from all over the world and communicated with them in English. Sometimes she still made mistakes, but she laughed and corrected herself. She became an English tutor and helped others who were struggling like she once did. One day, Eliza visited her old school and met her English teacher. The teacher was proud of her progress and asked her to speak to the students. Eliza shared her journey and encouraged them not to fear mistakes. "If I can do it, you can do it too. Just keep speaking, learning, and improving every day." Her story became an inspiration for many. She taught others that mistakes are not failures, they are steps to success. Eliza's dream came true, all because she believed in herself and never stopped speaking in English, even if she made mistakes. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and never stop learning. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories.